That's right, Rex is finally live on the EOS mainnet, and here is how to use it. I'm Rob from Cypherglass, and today I am super excited to let you all know, if you haven't already heard, that Rex, the resource exchange that's built into the EOS mainnet, is now live and ready for you to use. So if you want to use it, head on over to eosrex.io, which was the very first portal developed to interact with the Rex smart contract. Now, eosrex.io has been running on the Jungle testnet for the last few weeks and months even to test the interface, test that everything is working well, and now that it's finally on the mainnet, you can also use eosrex.io to do everything you did on the testnet on the mainnet. Now, the best part about Rex and eosrex.io is that the entire process is 100% free and actually pays you to lend your unused EOS into the resource pool. You see, the entire purpose of Rex is to make it easier for developers and users to cheaply and efficiently lease CPU power from other EOS token holders. And now you can do it automatically through eosrex.io and get paid just for lending your EOS to other people through the Rex smart contract. And remember, the best part about Rex is that you cannot lose money. There's no way that you can put your EOS in and get less EOS out. You'll only get the EOS that you put in back, plus that leasing fee on top for anybody that leased your EOS during that period. In addition to being the first user interface to interact with Rex on the Jungle testnet, you can also use eosrex.io to join their smart proxy. Now, the smart proxy is the first of its kind, and we are super honored at Cypherglass to be a part of it. And it essentially works like this. You see, right now on EOS, you're limited by a proxy or a user to vote for only 30 block producers. But as we all know, in our daily struggle of choosing who to vote for, there are way more than 30 qualified block producers on the EOS mainnet. So the eosrex.io smart proxy has graded their top block producers way more than 30 and will slowly rotate those block producers through the proxy to make sure that they can vote for all of them over a specific period of time. So if you're not sure who to vote for, the eosrex.io smart proxy is a great proxy to vote for, and I highly recommend it. Now, if you still want to get comfortable before you use your real EOS tokens, you can click the toggle on eosrex.io to switch back to the Jungle testnet and use your test tokens. And if you need any help at all throughout the process, just click on the blue Need Help icon and watch the in-depth tutorial video. It'll walk you through the entire process of lending EOS, of renting CPU, and claiming your rewards. So be sure to check out that video if you're not sure how the process works. This is truly a huge win for every single EOS token holder who can now earn some percentage of passive income on their unused CPU and bandwidth that's just sitting in their account right now. So if that's you, head on over to eosrex.io, stake your EOS into that Rex pool, and start earning passive income on your EOS today. Until next time, I'm Rob from Cypherglass, and remember, go EOS!